Welcome back, traders. I've come across an incredible indicator on TradingView that has the potential to make even novice traders profitable. This remarkable tool streamlines the breakout trading strategy by visually representing support and resistance levels. Additionally, it provides signals for both bullish and bearish breakouts, complete with retests, offering valuable insights for identifying profitable trades. In this comprehensive tutorial, I'll guide you on the correct usage of this indicator and share a complete trading strategy that can significantly enhance your profitability. So I'm in TradingView, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. The best time frames for this indicator are 5 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 15-minute time frame to explain the strategy. It is important to note that this technical analysis tool can be used for trading cryptocurrencies, stocks, futures, and major forex pairs. I'm going to quickly remove these indicators from the chart so I can explain their settings from the beginning. So first of all, let's add the first indicator of our strategy to the chart. So we will click on the Indicators tab and search for breaks and retests with volatility stop. After that, add this one published by J. Davenport. The breaks and retests with volatility stop indicator is a powerful tool designed to assist traders in identifying key support and resistance levels, breakouts, retests, and potential trend reversals. This indicator combines two essential components: support and resistance detection, and a volatility stop indicator for improved risk management. Let's access the settings for this indicator. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here, I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. In the input section, you can customize various parameters. The first block of settings focuses on support and resistance. Here, you can change the pivot length bars since breakout and retest detection limiter. The higher the pivot length number, the less false signals the indicator produces. These settings are recommended for 15-minute time frame. We will change this value to 50. I suggest adjusting this number depending on the asset and time frame you trade on. Another important setting you should keep an eye on is repainting. I strongly advise turning off signal repainting. This way, the signal will be produced only when the candle bar closes. If you scroll down to the bottom of the indicator inputs, you'll find volatility, stop settings. If you decide to use the volatility stop dots as a reference for stop loss, then I advise changing the volatility multiplier to 3. This way, the stop loss won't be too tight once you're finished with the settings. And these are going to be the only changes we will be doing for this indicator. Now, let's see how we can read this indicator on the chart. The breaks and retests with volatility indicator connects previous highs, forming a resistance which is plotted as a green zone. When the candlestick closes above this resistance, a bullish breakout occurs, and the indicators mark such breakouts with green labels. This is often considered a signal that buyers are entering the market. The broken resistance becomes a new support for those buyers. This is also known as an area of new demand. Traders are convinced that buying the security at this price is still cheap, so they execute their positions. Some traders, however, believe the breakout could be fake, so they prepare to sell the stock. In this case, it is vital to further analyze the price action. We can do it by switching the time frame to a higher one. This can prove to be very helpful for trend confirmation. For example, on the 4-hour chart, we see that the bias is positive, and betting against the market carries a higher risk of getting stopped. So on the 15-minute time frame, we can expect a price rise in a near future. Another easy way to minimize losing trades is to add a second confirmation indicator to the chart. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video, because through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $30,033. The breaks and retests indicator works best with oscillators like stochastic RSI and MACD, as well as volume indicators. So let's open the indicator tab again, and in the search tab type WADA Atar Explosion, and then click on this tool, created by Cheyenne KM. Now our chart is completely set. So let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. So for a buy trade to be valid, first of all, we will wait for our main indicator to give a bullish breakout retest signal, just like it is given here. After that, we will look at the WADA Atar Explosion indicator for the confirmation of the trend. And this bar must be green in color and also above the moving average. If you want to confirm this signal even more, you can switch the time frame to 4 hours or daily. This is done with a purpose to check the long-term market bias. If the sentiment is positive, as we can see is here, it's time to make a move. So as all the rules are confirmed here, so we will open a buy position here. Our stop loss for this strategy will be set at the volatility dots, which will be exactly right here. And our take profit target for this strategy will be set at 1.6. Now let's see if this will be a profitable trade or not. I hope you guys have understood the rules for entering a buy trade using this strategy. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade using this strategy. If you don't want to analyze prices yourself, you can join my Telegram group to get free buy and sell signals. The link is in the description below this video. So for a sell trade, first of all, we will wait for a bearish breakdown with a retest signal, just like the one we have got here. Now it's time to confirm the signal. We will check WADA Atar Explosion for signal confirmation. The bar must be red in color and also above the moving average. Once the signal is confirmed, we will switch the time frame to a higher time frame of 4 hours. After that, we have to make sure the trend is also descending there as well. As we can see, all the rules are confirmed. We can open a sell position here. So I will quickly open a sell position here. The stop loss for a sell trade will be set at these dots, and the risk to reward ratio will be set at the same value of 1.6. Now let's see if the market will hit our target or not. As you can see, traders, the breaks and retests with volatility stop indicator is a very helpful tool to analyze market behavior. On a deeper level, definitely give it a try, but don't skip the back testing and forward testing steps. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next video.